If you haven't heard, Awesomeness TV is getting its own series on Nickelodeon, Monday nights starting July 1st, hosted by me. And the ATV producers are gonna choose one lucky Awesomeness TV Networkers comedy video to be featured on the Nickelodeon series. Cool, right? Here's how to enter to win. Step 1, join the Awesomeness TV YouTube network. If you haven't partnered your channel with us already, click here. It's really easy to sign up. Step 2, watch Awesomeness TV on Nickelodeon Monday nights to get ideas and inspirations to make your own funny video. Step 3, make an original video. School's out, so you definitely have time to grab your friends and family and make something fun. Step 4, upload your video to your YouTube channel and submit it to us on our official Facebook app no later than August 1st. Okay, check out the About section below for all the info and contest rules. What are you waiting for? Get up and make some funny videos.